Hello folks. Earlier this year, the wife and I decided to treat ourselves to an in-ground swimming pool. Nice quaint little pool for a couple of retirees. But I thought, okay, with the onslaught of winter, I need some heat. Now, my pool installer provided me with a gas heater, which I thought, this thing will pretty much suck my retirement savings into oblivion in a matter of no time. So I thought I need an alternative. Solar heat, of course. So I reached out to Solar Pool Supply, who provided me with a diverter valve, an actuator, a check valve. I put some in-ground plumbing to here. Again, a return check valve and isolation valves. Now initially, my wife suggested that I build a structure over my parking pad here where I park my van. It's next to my backyard carport storage building combination. With a little help from a mason, I was able to have some columns built. And then on my weekends, I built this roof structure over it. Now I've got parking, covered parking for my truck. And on top of that, I put the solar panels. Solar Pool Supply was able to supply me with 6 panels, the vacuum relief, and locally I was able to buy all the plumbing and materials to install this myself. I'm going to come over here and give you a aerial view as best I can. Of the solar panels on top of my new roof structure. I don't know if you can see it. There's also a solar sensor. Pardon the shakiness. But all in all, I've got the solar panels, the accessories for under $3,800. Now, I built this structure with the help of the mason with the columns, installed the panels, did all the plumbing, 100% by myself. So, I'm 61 years old. If I can do this, I think you can do this as well. As far as performance, this project was first completed 6 days ago, actually 7 days ago, and on the first day this pool went from 63 degrees to 70 degrees. Granted, that was optimal conditions that day. The weather's been less than favorable lately, but it has been able to at least maintain a temperature around 70 degrees despite numerous cold fronts running through. Tomorrow and Monday, we're expecting more calm, sunny days, and I'm expecting some good performance and some enjoyable swimming. Looking forward to it. But then again, if you want to try this, don't be afraid. It's pretty darn easy. If I can do it, you can do it.